And of course, in any rollout, I have sat through I'm sorry, but so many boring IT rollouts that I just want to say, you know, please send somebody that can sell this thing on the basis of the audience. We do not want to build a rocket ship when we see the technology. We don't, it's just like lenders teaching underwriting guidelines. We don't want to be underwriters as loan officers. We want to know what we need to do to properly qualify a borrower and then move on. And the reason I say that is when you present your technology, we don't care about how the technology necessarily operates on the back side. What we care about is what is it going to do for me? What is in it for sales? That's crass, but it's true. You know, as salespeople, they're impatient. Loan officers, a lot of times, are the very reason your technology doesn't stick. I know when I'm managing the loan officers what I can expect from them. And so again, in a minute, the video I'm going to show you is going to help you. Set appropriate expectations. Often we say, you know, when we're selling it and we're vetting, you know, companies are vetting us against other companies, you overpromise. I think it's really important. I think a company wants to hear reality. I think I would want you to tell me, like, this is how I see adoption done best. I learned the adoption skills I'm sharing with you from people that were willing to give me that reality. Give a start and a finish to the training, implementation, and adoption. You want to have a plan B as well. Make yourself or someone available for ad hoc questions. That goes without speaking. Just told you, measure, measure, measure. Show them in numbers what it will do. Numbers do not lie. So a lot of times if you can bring numbers from other companies that you put the technology out to, super important because those act as your testimonials. I would have people on demand for references as well that you could call. I think that's important. Show the frequency of your reporting. And again, I put up inspect what you expect. Love the quote that the Quicken lady gave earlier this morning about execution being what you worship, and implementation or innovation, you know, being the thing. What did she call it? What was the difference between worshiping and, yes, right. And that's so true. That is absolutely true. So you want to go for that execution. Again, pick your best. Let them vet the systems. Be open to their feedback. Too many times we get critically, you know, I know you know the words defensive posture. How many of you find yourself in a defensive posture? Like when I build my business plan, most of what I speak on is not this. When I'm out speaking, I'm speaking typically on real estate business planning to the real estate side of the world or finance. I'm speaking on networking excellence and things that are in the sales world. But I will tell you, you have to be open to feedback.